On-demand solutions integrated e-commerce for SAP Business One. The integration is based on standard components and utilizing the SAP APIs. The integration works equally well for an SAP system hosted in the cloud or on-premise. There are a number of integration points. In this presentation, we are covering a few of them. The product information in SAP Business One is integrated with an e-commerce system. Very basic information is required for the e-commerce system to operate. The item code, the price, a short description, and products need to be linked to the product groups configured in the e-commerce system. There are a number of additional fields available as user-defined fields to support kitting, designer value packs, search filters, etc. Just to demonstrate, we can change the product price from £99 to £105. Let's move over to the e-commerce. We can now query the product on the e-commerce system, and we can see the information has been transferred, but there is no image. Images can be maintained either directly as attachments in SAP Business One or the media library. Link the image to the product. Search for the product, and we can now see that the image is appearing. And we can also see that the price has been updated to now show £105. Currently, this item shows out of stock. Let's go and add some inventory to this item. In Business One, go to Transactions, Goods Received, look for our item, and let's add 200. On the e-commerce system, query the product, and we can see that the stock has been updated and now shows 200. Customer billed to, ship to address, payment method and contact details. In SAP Business One, customer information is in Business Partner Master Data. Bill to and ship to address is integrated directly to the e-commerce system. These are linked via Customer Contact Person, which is also the web user. Let's add a new web user. The contact ID will be the login user ID on the e-commerce system. The only mandatory information is the contact ID, the email address, which is used for all the confirmations, and the password, which is used for logging in to the e-commerce system. This active flag is used, and the customer payment information. Cash Basic activates the credit card payment functionality. Any other payment methods will assume the customer is an account customer. Let's save this new contact person that I created, and let's go to the e-commerce system to see how this information has been transferred. I logged in using the contact ID and password specified in Business One, and I can see that the system now recognizes me as an e-commerce user. I go to my account. I can see the customer details, billing and shipping address has been transferred. Let's update the shipping address in Business One. So let's change this to 53 Southway in Farnham. Go back to my account, and I can see how the shipping address immediately has been updated. Sales order information and sales order status is also directly integrated between the two systems. I use the product that we created, add one to the basket, go to Checkout, where we can choose shipping address. We can enter delivery instructions and contact telephone numbers. We can change the delivery date, and we can enter an order reference. Place this order. I get my order confirmation with the order details. Let's go to Business 1. Look at Sales Orders. Query the last order, and here we have our SAP B1 sync with the delivery date that we requested and the order reference. For more information, please go to our website odsuk.net.
The gap between business and consumer online experiences has been too wide for too long, and as a supplier to business customers, you're likely to be missing out on sales as a result. At home, consumers have access to a rich and intuitive shopping experience for just about anything they want to buy. Whether they're buying a book, TV, holiday or car, they can search and filter by product type, price and popularity, plus browse personalised offers and recommendations. Often, they can check stock levels and trace deliveries at any time on any device. But at the other end of the spectrum, business customers typically still have to pick up the phone to place an order. They have to know what they want in advance, ask about special offers, or wait for a visit from the sales rep. Either way, the business customer's experience is a world apart from what people have become used to from the likes of Amazon and eBay. Here at ODS, we strike right at the heart of that B2B, B2C customer experience gap. We believe there's no reason why B2B companies and their customers can't benefit from all the same features as consumers. So, we developed ODSNet, where we combine a rich, full-featured B2B web store experience with direct links to your SAP Business One back-office systems. Now your website will always be up to date with the latest stock, price and promotional information. Orders flow straight through to internal office systems without the need for information to be re-entered manually. And because customers can do a lot more for themselves, they're more likely to keep returning, driving up loyalty and reducing your cost of sale. Plus, our field sales and telesales modules ensure that your sales teams have access to the latest information from wherever they are. We make all of this possible because we're the e-commerce platform designed specifically for business-to-business use. What are you waiting for? Book your one-to-one consultation today.